Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome. So I posted a few months ago about the dangers of a hidden roof. And one of the greatest mistakes I've ever made was to put a hidden roof on this property that I'm looking at right now. I built this property in 2019, 2020. And obviously at that time, maybe due to lack of experience or whatever, we used whomever we could use to build that roof. And it cost me quite a lot. It's this property behind me right now. And the hidden roof, previously they were what you might call, it was hidden. You couldn't see it. So I want to show you how we fixed it and perhaps help you fix your hidden roof as well. So I'm going to climb up the roof. Hopefully nothing major happens to me, but I'm going to climb the roof and show you how we fixed the hidden roof. And maybe before I go up, let me try and flip the camera. So you can see there, this is a new roof now. You can see some of the timber is still fresh. It was quite a very expensive fix all around here. We are just literally picking up the rubbles, but it was a very, very expensive fix. Do I regret putting a hidden roof? Not really. Even in a loss, there's always going to be some kind of lessons. And this is how we fixed it. You can see we still have rubble we're still picking up and cleaning up this rubble from the remnants of the hidden roof. Okay, so this is a hidden roof or former hidden roof. We're still cleaning up. So I'm about to go onto the roof now. Wish me great luck. Here we go. So I'm climbing it from here. I want to show you exactly. This is my symbol. Some of you don't know this symbol. Yeah, this is how it's looking now. You see that? Line here, Pati? Planga number 2. All right. So you want to rush now and go and buy? Uzagula matubi angati? Okay, hurry up. So I want to show you, I'm going up now on the roof. I want to show you how we did it. The ladder of success. The ladder of success. I hope I don't disturb the wires. So this was a very big roof. Here I am on the roof. It was a very big roof. I think let me flip the camera so that you can see properly. So what we did, you see here where you see white, this is a silicone. Okay? This used to be where the gutter was, somewhere right here. So the way the roof was built, it was starting from there and coming over here into the gutter. And this roof, this side, was starting from there and coming here into the gutter. And part of the problem with hidden roofs is the gutter, ladies and gentlemen. The gutter. Water is so powerful. There are two major enemies to your roof. The first enemy is water. The second enemy is termites. Okay? So what we did is we broke off everything that was on that side. We left the elevation as it was, and we removed the gutter right here. You've seen? And then we bought new roofing sheets this side, and we broke all of that. Remember, it was higher on this side. It was bringing water here. So we broke and destroyed all of that and made the water that was coming from up top to this side to slide all the way. So now it's no longer a hidden roof. It is some kind of a flat roof, but all the water is now just flowing completely down. then you must always put silicone. So you see here, when these guys hammer nails, sometimes they overheat their nails. And sometimes the rubbers that are supposed to be under these roofing nails are not so good. So we constantly putting silicone. So right now I've just given my gentleman, and I can even see where the water is entering from, right there by the nails. So we're going to put silicone. He's going to come and climb here and put silicone. Silicone is basically a rubber glue to prevent water from seeping into your building. So that is how we controlled our hidden roof. We had to buy some new roofing sheets, extensions to the sides, and here these are completely brand new roofing sheets, and on the sides also brand new roofing sheets. Up there, brand new roofing sheets. It was quite an expensive undertaking. That's how we sorted our hidden roof. And I am on the roof. That's that. The world looks different from here. Us short people rarely have such kind of views. And I hope that helps. How to solve and control your hidden roof. Now, if your house is leaking for any reason, I'm getting down now. Do not even say to yourself, I cannot fix it. When it comes to building, you will make mistakes along the way. You will hire wrong people. Sometimes they lie to you. Sometimes you lie to yourself. It's normal to make mistakes when building. But don't regret. Fix it, correct it, learn from it, and move on. Have a beautiful day. There you have it. How to control your hidden roof. I'm back on the ground. This is what they say being grounded. Look at this. I like this place. Look at this. It's a flower bed. Some roses are coming up. Beautiful place. Beautiful house. Have a great day.